CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.3, Summarize Behavioral Security Concepts. Confidential information. In this video, we will cover the topic of confidential information. In the IT world, confidential information refers to data that should not be disclosed to unauthorized individuals. This could be anything from passwords to personal records. And the mishandling of such information can lead to severe consequences, including legal penalties. So, how should you handle confidential information? Always make sure to store it securely, whether it's on a physical device or in the cloud. Use encryption methods to add an extra layer of protection. And never share confidential information unless you're certain of the recipient's identity and their need to know. To assist with this, one of the most basic yet effective ways to protect confidential information is through the use of strong passwords. A strong password is typically a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. It's also a good idea to update your passwords regularly and never reuse them across multiple platforms. Next, let's discuss a specific category of confidential information known to the IT industry as personal identifiable information, or PII. This refers to any information that can be used to identify an individual and may include, but is not limited to, a person's name, social security number, date of birth, email address, and phone number. PII is often subject to legal protections and must be handled carefully to prevent unauthorized access or disclosure. Another category of confidential information is protected health information, or PHI. This refers to any information about health status, medical treatments, or healthcare services that can be linked to a specific individual. This information is often sensitive and, like PII, PHI is subject to strict regulations. In addition to PII and PHI, there are a few other forms of data that deserve a certain expectation of confidentiality and privacy. They include customer information, ranging from credit card details to purchase history. Company's information, like trade secrets, financial data, and employee records. And lastly, school records. The list could go on, but the objective remains the same. Certain types of information must be handled in a secure manner in order to keep it from being disclosed to unauthorized individuals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.